Hello, gorgeous. Welcome or welcome back to the channel. It is your girl, Tamika. She is Tamika and Tamika is she. Hey, she is Tamika and Tamika is she. Hey, she is Tamika and Tamika is me. All right, so guess what? My favorite leggings are on sale for Black Friday. IUGA leggings.
Just watch me. Just watch me.
Are you ready for this? All right, so I have not one, not two, not three, not four, but 5 pieces that I have special for you guys. But please make sure you stay tuned all the way to the end of the video because I have a special treat for you because you can use my discount code to help you get your merchandise when you shop on IUGA. So make sure you shop on IUGA right now. But first, look at the video so you can see exactly what I got because baby, it's a game changer. You're going to love these pieces. IUGA. So just in case you're new here and you're not sure what IUGA is, let me go ahead and tell you a little bit more about the brand. Trust me, you will love them. So many people love them, and this is my 4th collaboration with them. IUGA is a sport brand focused on comfort, committed to providing yoga enthusiasts with ultimate comfortable experience, high value products and services. Butter Lab and Heat Lab fabrics, specially developed for IUGA's comfort experience. The trusted choice over 5 million users, recommended by multiple authoritative media outlets, including Yahoo, People, InStyle, Wirecutter, and more. Over 80,000 positive users, interactions, and feedback. Now that you know a little bit more about the IUGA brand, let's go ahead and get right into some of the pieces that IUGA gifted me with. First up, we got the booty lifting. Baby, I need a little help in that area, and if you need it, you better get these pants right now. IUGA Heat Lab fleece lined leggings with pockets. Yes, girl, it got pockets and it's fleece inside for the cold weather. You need these. Let me tell you a little bit more about the high-waisted booty lifting yoga pants because there's so much more to it than just that. But all of those details are very good for us ladies, right? High-waisted design, effective tummy control, and side resistance. Booty lifting. Streamline your figure with optimal compression. It enhances curves and uplift buttocks. 2 side pockets effortlessly cater to your storage needs. You can put your phone in there, your card, and your keys. High-waisted design and booty lifting, designed with fleece lining interior, practical side pockets. All so beautiful. So the 2 colors that I decided to pick out were the bright red and white, and they both are in the size small. Next up, I have IUGA Flex Denim High-Waisted Crossover Jeggings with Pockets. Girl, these, oh my gosh, these jeans feel so good. Flex Denim, the chic cross waist, and the multiple functional pockets. Exceptional stretch and all-day comfort. No slipping or rolling down at the waist. Cross-waist jeans and leggings combination. This is the perfect fit. I actually love these jeans. You can wear them on the go, out, hang out with your girls. With the chic cross waist, it enhances the tummy compression, shape your silhouette. Superior tummy compression, carve your silhouette. Next, I have up the Flex Tight Full Zip Lightweight Running Track Jacket with thumb holes. Whew, that was a lot to say. This one in the color black, and it is in the size small. Okay, so here are some details about the lightweight jacket. It is streamlined waist design and hip length fit. Wind resistant stand collar. It also has 2-sided zip pockets with thumbnail holes. I actually like the thumbnail holes. And then when you're actually lifting like the bars, you can protect the palms of your hands. All right, so my next outfit here that I have, and it is an outfit, it is a 2-piece outfit. Thank you, IUGA, for providing this set for me. So this here is IUGA 2-piece outfit, wide leg pants lounge set. This set is so comfortable and it is perfect for this cold weather that we have. A little chilly weather. I'm in Florida. We got about 30 something degrees, but it is perfect for the weather. All right, so let me go ahead and tell you some of the details about this two-piece set. It's a pullover stand collar and high-waisted elastic bands. This outfit is breathable and soft fabric, pullover top design, and wide leg pants. The pullover stand collar is functional, have zip, block winter chill comfortably. The high-waisted elastic band is full seam coverage, easy to pull on and off. It has 2 side pockets and a drawstring. Now that you've seen all the pieces, which one was your favorite color or which one was your favorite piece? I have the white one, it's number 1. The red, 2. I have the jacket, that is number 3. And then I have the jeggings, that is number 4. And then the two-piece outfit, which is number 5. Which one was your favorite and which one are you thinking about buying? Let's go ahead and get into the details because I know you want to know exactly what you're going to get. So let's roll. Leggings just dropped the hottest Black Friday deal. Second 50% off, third free. Use my code Tamika25 can get you 25% more off. You can get these leggings with at least 50% off. One pair of leggings only costs $16. Isn't that a great deal? That is such an amazing deal. Thank you so much, IUGA, for collaborating with your girl. She is Tamika. Thank you to my supporters and all who are going to purchase, and head over to IUGA website right now. Everything is linked in the description box and it is pinned in the comment section so that you can use the code and you can navigate to IUGA website with no hassle. Tell IUGA I sent you. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye, gorgeous.